Are you searching for the best lab scale? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best lab scale in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Laboratory Scales Analytical Balance Digital Microbalance, Analytical Balance Calibration Weight M Scales High Precision Resolution achieve precise measurements with 0.0001 G resolution, ensuring accurate results for your scientific experiments. Versatile calibration options, select from external or internal calibration modes, tailoring your balance to your specific calibration needs. Advanced Digital Display or the digital display offers clear readouts, enhancing the user experience and data. Interpretation, robust design and stability of the balance boasts a stable performance with a less than or equal to 3s stabilization time, ensuring reliable measurements. Wide capacity range, choose from a 120G to 220G capacity range, catering to diverse weighing needs in your laboratory.